Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 10.8, Question number 1. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number present. Given that number triples in 5 hours, find how many bacteria will be present after 10 hours. Here, let A be the number of bacteria at any time t. Now given dA by dt is proportional to number of bacteria at percent, means change of number of bacteria per respect time is proportional to A, which gives dA by dt equal Ka, where A is a constant of proportionality. From that we can say dA by A equal K dt. Now integrating both sides, dA by A equal K dt. Now after that, dA by A is log A is K T plus log C. dt integration is T. Therefore, now log of A over log C, because log C come this side, is equal KT. Then A over C equal e power KT, because log e power take both sides. Now after that you can say A equal C e power KT, let it be equation 1. Initially when t equals 0, time is 0, assume A0, A equal to A0. Amount of bacteria at initial time is A0. Therefore, we can say 1 become A equal A0 e power A0 equal, first we can write A0 equal C into e power, time is 0. Then we can write C e power 0, e power 0 is 1, that is C. C equal A power 0. Therefore, we can write A equal, instead of C you can write A0 e power KT. This is let it be equation 2. Now given condition, given that the number triples in 5 hours, t equal to 5 hours, and A become triple of initial amount. Therefore, we can write the equation 2 becomes A is 3, A0 equal A0 e power 3K, because T is 3. No, T is 5 hours. This is the A0 is A0, which gives 3 A0 over A0 equal e power 5K. Therefore, e power 5K equal to 3. when t equal to 10 hour, then equation 2 becomes a equal a0 e power 10k, because t is 10k, which is for the a0. Here we can see e power 5k, the square is e power 10k, that is further equal a0. E power 5k is 3, because already e power 5k is 3, we got it. That square equal 9a0. Therefore, hence we can say, hence the amount of bacteria will be present after 10 hours. After 10 hours is 9 times the initial amount. Now, question number 2. Find the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, and that is that in a period of 40 years the population increased from 300,000 to 400,000. Now here let p be the population of a city Now there is a given dp by dt, change of number of population per time, is proportional time to at present population p. Therefore, further we can write dp by dt from that dp by dt equal kp. Therefore, dp by p equal k dt. Now integrating both sides, dp by p equal k dt, which gives log p equal kt, because dt integration is t, plus log c. Now log p minus log c equal kt, which gives log of p over c equal kt, then p over c equal e power kt, which gives p equal c e power kt. Let it be 1. Now given when t equal 0 at initial population P equal 300,000. Therefore, the equation 1 becomes therefore P, that is equation 1 is P is equal C per KT. Therefore, P is 300,000 equal C into e power KT, that is a K into T 0, which is equal to C. Therefore, we got the C value is 300,000. From that, we can write P equal 300,000 e power KT. This equation 2. Again, when T equal 40 years, after 40 years of time, the population increased from 300,000 to 400,000. When T equal to 40 years, P is 400,000. Therefore, the equation 2 become, look at here, P 400,000 equal 300,000 e power K 40, that is 40 K, because we are substituting K T equal to 40 now, which gives 400,000 by 300,000 equal e power 40 K, which gives e power 40 K equal 4 over 3. Further, 40 K equal log of 4 over 3, and K equal 1 over 40 log of 4 over 3. Let it be 3. Now, therefore, the equation 2 become equation 2 become, this equation 2 is P is, that population at any time is 300,000 e power KT. E power K is 1 over 40 log 4 by 3 time is T. Further, log that 1 over 40 go up, 300,000 e power log 4 over 3 T over, this is a final expression for the population at any time T. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.